just got home for a run. Why do people go for runs? Why do people walk, swim, bike? These are all types of exercise, and there are many reasons why people exercise. There are lots of benefits to being physically fit and active. When we exercise, our body releases something called endorphins. Endorphins help our mind stay strong and healthy and help us to be happy and upbeat. Exercise also helps us to build muscle. Our muscles get stronger and have better endurance, meaning that we can do things for a longer period of time. Exercise also helps our heart. Our cardiovascular fitness improves when we exercise, meaning that we have lower blood pressure, lower blood sugar levels, and it reduces your risk for diseases like diabetes. There are so many benefits to staying fit and healthy. So which type of exercise will you choose?